Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do a quick 4th of July project just to have on like a table display, or you can actually sell these as well if you've got a craft show or something coming up around the holiday. So stick around, I'm going to show you how we build these. So we'll start off with a couple of scrap 2x4s, and we're going to cut them down to 1.5 by 1.5, or as close as we can get to 1.5, because we're gonna cut the rounded edge off these 2x4s just because I like the way it looks squared off. Okay, so we've got our 1.5 by 1.5 squares cut off of our scrap 2x4s. And so what we're going to do now is we'll decide what size we want to make each one of these. I'm thinking we're going to do these as a stair step. Maybe, I don't know, 3, 6, 9, I don't know, we'll figure it out. So these are almost 16 inches long, but I've got some bad places in a couple of them, which really won't matter because we're going to spray paint them. So let's make it maybe a total of 12 long. That way we can do what, 4, 8, 12? Yeah, we'll do that. I got this new Ox Tools Tuff carbon marking pencil. I was trying to write on some composite decking and my pencil just wasn't showing up, so I'm trying these out. Not sponsored or anything, just giving it a shot. Okay, so I made these 4, 8, and 12. I don't like this, so we're going to go back and we're going to shorten this one to 6. So there's just a 2-inch difference here, and then I believe what I'll do is I'll do another 2 inches, and we'll make this, if that one's 6, we'll make this one 8. Let's see what that looks like, because I don't like the look of this. You'll see where I'm going in a minute. Okay, so I like this a lot better. You got a 4, a 6, and an 8, and what we're going to do is we're going to paint these red, white, and blue, and then make them look like fireworks or firecrackers, as some of you may know. No M80s though, okay? All right, so now that we've got our firecrackers painted, we're going to drill a little hole for our craft rope. So our craft rope, what I did was I took my drill bit gauge, and mine's going to be 3/16. Yours may vary, but you're going to follow the same procedure. Whatever size rope you end up with, just find the drill bit size that you need. We're going to drill a hole right in the center of it, and then we're just going to shove the craft rope in it. Probably drop a little super glue or something in there to hold it in, but that's all there is to it. So you can get pretty precise, or you can do like I do, and we're just going to wing it and go for the closest to center we can get. And then when we get the rest of ours cut, it'll look something like that. So I've cut the little craft rope for our fuses here, and I did end up increasing the size of the hole once I put super glue on these. But you can, depending on what kind of rope you got, you can burn the ends of them and it'll keep them from fraying as well. But I ended up having to go with a 13/64 drill bit, I believe it was. But what I'll do is I'll just stick them in like that, and then what we'll do, we'll come back and we'll put some stars on the blue one, and then we'll just put them together and be our red, white, and blue, or you can reverse them. But that's all there is to that. So let's put some stars on it real quick and we'll finish this one up. Okay, so I've got some stars that I've used on some of my other cross projects that I believe I bought these off of Amazon or the 4-letter word Etsy. I'm not sure which one, but what we're going to do is we'll just take the blue one and we'll glue a couple stars on there, and this easy project will be done. So we're finished with another simple, easy project. You know, all we did was we used some scrap 2x4, couple of colors of our spray paint here, craft rope and some stars, and now we've got a little table display that we can take out and put on our picnic table as we're grilling out, and you can tell everybody you made it. And you know, it's a really simple project, and that's what I try to do, is keep things simple. You don't have to be making the expensive furniture to make a little bit of money on your side hustle. So thanks for joining me again, and I'll see you guys next time.